Hello there, I'm Chef Johnny and this is Texas Style Cuisine. Got something exciting going on tonight. The wife has got me something else to cook with, and I've been wanting one of these, never would really go get me one, so she bought me one the other day. It just got here, so we're going to unbox it, assemble it. Stick around and I'll show you what I got. Here we go. We're going to broaden out the shot so you can see it. She has picked me up a 36-inch stainless steel Blackstone Griddle. Now, I tell you what, I am going to become a griddling fool on this thing. I'm so excited to have this. It's going to be a ton of fun to cook up some breakfast for y'all, to cook up some breakfast for us, and not only do that, do some great burgers, some great sandwiches, a lot of things you can do with the griddle. We're going to throw some steaks on this thing. A lot of different things, but stick around. Let me show you how this thing comes out of the box and how we put it together. Come up here and just gonna pop our big bands off. Let's take a look here. Now, I tell you what, this is really a two-man job. Y'all be careful doing this. It takes my son help me carry this over here. It is heavy, and it's the griddle up on top that's so heavy, but I'm gonna lay it down. Get my hands in here and lay it down. Let's pull this off. I tell you, it doesn't take a whole lot of assembly on this. Lid's off. And we got a book. Owner manual's right up front. Small box of parts. Our knobs, some assorted screws and nuts, items like that. And here's the frame. Got everything clear. We're going to pick this up out of the box now. Let's see, you ready? Now this isn't the heavy part. Let's see. Turn this all the way over. Here is the heavy part. Oh, that's still not the heavy part. That's the shelf. This is the heavy part. Oh, side shelves. Still not to the heavy part yet. Now, here is the griddle. 36 inches of rolled steel. That is a lot of cooking surface right there. We're going to set this, lean it up to the side, and we're going to get this frame put together. Okay. Now we're going to take this, got it sitting just on a piece of cardboard, just not to scratch it up a lot when I lay it over on the cement. And you can see the 4 burners, 15,000 BTUs each. And this beautiful stainless steel frame that we have with this. We're going to stand it up and see if we can fold the legs out. Going to lift this up. And these legs, okay, just got a little spring clip right here. I'm going to undo it. Oh, got another zip tie to take loose. Let's cut the zip tie. And then what you're going to see is we've got a spring clip that just pulls loose and the legs will fold down. So pick those up. Now be careful, these legs still could fold in. But I'm going to take the big shelf now. Got our shelf here for our legs to stiffen them up. And it's going to go right there. Spread the legs apart. Fits like that. And let me get the nuts to put those together. I'm just going to come right here. This is going to go all the way through and goes into our shelf. Number 1's on. Kind of line everything up. There we go. Nice, stiff, not going to go anywhere. Now, I'm just going to take these. You can see the 1-inch tubing. It slides right in. That's in place. Then we'll bolt it. Yep. Now, go right here. That shelf's in. Now I'm going to put in these bottom ones, and if you feel right here inside the leg, there's a nut that's welded onto the square tubing there. And I'm just going to take it and screw this on. There's that one. Let's get the back one. Just gonna take my knobs, pop them in real quick. There we go. All the knobs are in. And this is for the battery cover for your striker. Did you get one? Oh, yeah. Just going to put my battery in. Yeah. There we go. It's working. That's all together. Now we just have to put the hanger on for our propane tank. You can see this box. I'm just going to open it up real quick. Got our tape on both ends. There's our drip pan, hanger for our there you go, for a grease catch, and our handle. We're going to put our handle on. That one. Let's go to the other end. Screw goes in right there. Just going to grab my screwdriver, hold it inside with your wrench, and you can tighten it up good. Next thing we're going to get on is the bracket for the propane tank. Yeah. Now, these do have lock washers, so when these go on, they're going to lock themselves on there. Don't have to worry about those backing off any. We'll take this top one and put it on first. Takes two of the longer bolts. Push your bolt through, put your nut on it. And since it's a lock nut, you're gonna definitely have to have 2 wrenches to do this. Just finger tight for right now. We'll come back with our wrenches and tighten it up all the way. Now we're going to put on the bottom one. Pull these off the legs. You can see them. They are nice. These are locked on the casters. And again, put in your bolt. Tighten those up with the wrenches, and we'll be ready to set the plate up on top. Show you how this works. You can see where we put our knobs in here. This will just drop straight in. You can take it off and transport or moving it. Tighten your knobs. Now your shelf's firmly in place. Now here is a beautiful 36-inch rolled steel top. This is heavy duty. It is going to be nice to cook on. See, it's got some angle irons for reinforcement to help with the warping if you get it too hot. That's going to help it from moving around. I am going to wash this off. It has oil on here. They do tell you you can just season it with what's on there, but I'm going to clean it anyway. So let's lay it down. Pull this top one off. Set it in place. And there's just a couple of holes it slides into. In our grease catcher, just going to go right there. Now, some of y'all know that there's been an issue when the grease comes down, it wants to miss the tray, run down your leg. I've ordered the extension part to go on here, $10 on Amazon. I'll put a link down below so you can find one of those if you get one. The new ones have it out the back. I'm not sure if I like that, just because I'm used to working with a griddle and everything coming forward. But also, if you wanted to kind of have this closer up against something, or someone came up to talk to you, you have your hot grease right there. Not nuts about that. So I do like it better on that side. And we've taken the precautions we need to keep it from going down the legs. So that's it. Blackstone, I tell you, I know it's getting dark on y'all. The lighting's probably not great on here, but I wanted to put this thing together. Just FedEx dropped it off, and we started the video. We wanted to have it done, but I like the way this looks. We're going to clean it up. We're going to soak this top. I'm going to come back and show you how we season it, and then we're going to get to cooking on this beautiful Blackstone griddle. So thanks for stopping by. Always do appreciate it. Remember to give us the thumbs up. Tell your friends and family about us. Share us on your social media. Share this video around so people can see how great this Blackstone griddle is. And we'll see you down the road on Texas style barbecue and cuisine.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.